Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start with the new chapter, chapter 20, conjunction. So, children, we have already done this chapter in the previous class or in junior classes. So, today we are just going to revise this chapter. So, let's start. Now, what is conjunctions? Conjunctions are joining words. They joins two nouns, phrases or sentences. Now the word conjunction, it comes from two words, con and junction. Con means together and junction means joining. So we can say conjunctions join together sentences and often make them more compact. Now see the example. Neha is going to town and I am going with her. So now here and is what? Conjunction. See, Neha is going to town. I am going with her. These are two sentences, but with the help of and, we can join these two sentences together. So, Neha is going to town and I am going with her. So, now let us go to the kind of conjunctions. Now, there are three kinds of conjunctions. Number one, coordinating conjunctions. Number two, correlative conjunctions. And third is subordinating conjunctions. Now, see, coordinating conjunctions, these include and, but, or, not, neither, for, yet, still, and so. Correlative conjunction, these include both and, not only, but, either, or, and, neither, nor. Subordinating conjunctions, these included because, therefore, while, although, though, whereas, when, until, unless, before, after, and if. Now come to the first kind, coordinating conjunctions. They are words that are used to link words, phrases, and sentences of equal importance. The acronym Fanboys makes it easy to remember the coordinating conjunctions. Now see, F stand for, A stand for and, N stand for nor, B stand for but, O or, Y yet, S so. Now see the examples. Tina is tall but Mina is short. She went to the library and brought a few books. You can go to the library and stay at home. So, the sentence contains two independent statements or two statements of equal rank or importance. Hence, the conjunction joined together these two statements or clauses of equal rank is called a coordinating conjunction. Coordinating means of equal rank. A coordinating conjunction joins together clauses of equal rank. Clear, children? Now, come to the next. Let us now understand the use of this commonly used coordinating conjunction. Now, 4 explains the reason or purpose. For example, he stayed back for it was raining cats and dogs. And add stand for adds information like they packed their bags and left immediately. Nor it adds a negative information to another. Example, we did not call him, nor did we see him. But shows contrast. For example, he likes to spend a lot of time on his own, but he also has many friends. Or it suggests a choice or an alternative. For example, we may drive or go by train. Yet emphasizes a contrast. For example, it is old and overused yet looks new. So presents a result or effect. For example, the dog is unwell, so we are taking it to the vet. Now come to the next kind, correlative conjunctions. Now pairs of conjunctions that are used together to link words, phrases and sentences of equal importance like either or, neither nor, not only but also, etc. Now correlative conjunctions and their uses. Either or connects two choices. They will visit either in May or in June. Neither nor joins two negative statements. neither my coat nor my shoes were there. Not only but also connects nouns and clauses. It is not only costly but also of poor quality. Whether or suggests an alternative. The airline will inform whether its flight are on time or not. Both and connects to subjects or object. Both the teacher and the students are happy after winning the match, so that it suggests a purpose. He shouted so loudly that everyone woke up. Now come to the next kind, subordinating conjunction. They connect words, phrases, or clauses to another sentence. They include words like because, therefore, while, whereas, when, until, before, after, and if. Now come to the example. Neha is smiling, she is happy. Now, Neha is smiling because she is happy. She is distributing sweets. It's her birthday. She is distributing sweets as it's her birthday. Children, we can say a subordinate conjunction joins a clause to another on which it depends for its full meaning. I hope these kinds are clear to you. Thank you, children.